in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Latonia, or near Columbiana, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Columbiana around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations